in this video I want to treat my hair for hair growth. So I'm going to be working with these three stuff you are seeing, or two, so I'm going to be using avocado, egg, and olive oil. So this is for massive deep condition for hair growth. Okay, so let's dive into this video without not wasting much of your time. Okay, so I'm having two avocado here, so I'm going to be working with the two. So stay tuned, let's make this video together. Let's open this. So because I have this avocado for a very long time, I keep it inside the fridge. That's why you are seeing it like this. It's for deep condition. Never mind, we are going to still manage it. Are you seeing the color? But it's the same thing. So I will not add this egg. You can use any types of any color of egg you have at home. Okay, so let's cup it. Don't need to throw it away, okay, because it's for deep condition. So guys, you can be doing this 1 or twice a week. This will help a lot to boost your hair for growth, okay? Because sometimes natural hair is not that easy to take care of, So my hair is not up to 1 year that I start this my hair growth treatment, guys, because I am that type of a person. As soon as I finish training my hair, I'll just cut it. I don't think I'll cut this again, okay? That's what I normally do. Come on, I'm going to eat this. I'll be using my olive oil to blend it, or olive oil, okay? This is what I normally do. I like sieving my stuff before applying it on my hair, okay? So guys, this is it. So I need to mix everything together. It's time to apply it. Let me first divide my hair, because someone for YouTube say when I want to apply this deep condition on my hair, I should be dividing my hair first. So let's do that. Me, I am ready to learn, okay? I am ready to learn because for a very long time now, I have not braid my hair. So I think I'm going to braid it maybe tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow. But if I braid my hair, it's only oil that I will be using to treat my hair. I'll be making use of only oil and clove water before I will use the hair. Treasure, I'm making video. Wait up, caution. I need to close that kitchen glass. The music is on inside. This is not 1 year that I start this hair go journey, okay? Hair growth journey is not something that work for you overnight or 1 month. It's not going to work for you in the period of 1 or 2, 3 months, okay? But from 1 month to 3 months, you start seeing a changes. You start seeing a bit of results, okay? If you want to see a better result or massive result, it's best you wait for 1 year, okay? Because all those people you are seeing their hair look so long, look very long and heavy, they didn't start it for 1 year or 2 years. Those people start their hair growth journey as for 5 years, 6 years, 3 years, 4 years, 2 years, 10 years, because me, I am that type of person. As soon as I finish growing my hair, I'll just cut it after like 1 or 2 years, But this one, I don't think I'll cut this. Also, on my children too, because I love cutting hair a lot. After I just finish training their hair, I'll cut it. But I don't think I'll cut it again, okay? Because I don't think I'll cut it. So let's just follow me on the hair growth journey, guys. Follow me, follow me. So guys, sometimes even when you buy products to treat your hair, sometimes you might be thinking the product doesn't work on your hair because the thing is not going to do magic. It's not going to grow for you overnight. It's something that you have to be consistent with. You can be using product. You will also be deep condition, treating your hair with rosemary water, clove water, oil, and all of that. That's when you now see a perfect result. Okay, so at this point, use your hands or your fingers to massage your hair for like 30 seconds. Okay. If you don't have a lot of time, from 15 to 30 minutes is good to go. You can wash it with anything you are using to wash your hair. You can also still leave it for 1 or 2 hours, okay? So